Hi, in this small tutorial, I am going to show you how easy it is to generate payment links and what will be the different fields required to fill. Let's start. Click on the generate new payment link button and you will see a modal which opens up like this. I'm going to quickly go through the fields here. So one of the first fields is the amount field, which you have to set. This can be anywhere between 1 rupee to 1 lakh rupees. The other is a checkbox which tells the system that this link is reusable, meaning that this link can be paid by more than one customer. This is really good for sharing your payment link on the social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or sharing it over WhatsApp. When you make the link reusable, then it will ask you for some information like customer data. Should this payment link ask for customer data or not? If you check this box here, then the customers will be required to enter their name, email, and optional phone number. If you do not want to ask for these details, you can uncheck the link. If you want this link to be for specific user, then you need to enter their name, email, and mobile number here. And if you do not want it, then you can simply make it reusable. Then you need to give a payment description like this will be used for demo, or you can say that crochet, if you are a crochet, you're selling a crochet product, then you can say that it's for payment of a crochet doll, and you can give all the details here so that the customers know what this payment link is for, what we are paying for. Then comes your expiry date. Now you can make the link non-expirable, that it's going to be there forever, or you can make this link expirable, meaning that on this particular date and time this link should stop working. Generally you would not want to do it because you would want to make reusable payment links for your products, but if you do want it, then you can give an expiry date. And then notes. So notes is very optional. It is only for you to see. This will not be shown by the system to the customer. Then you just click on create a payment link and a payment link will be generated here. You can copy the link from here, or you can go to actions and then you can see all of the details here, what you did it. One thing to note is that if you are making a payment link, then you cannot edit it, you can only disable it. So if you disable it, then it will not be used, but it will have a suspended status. It will not be shown. It cannot be used to get the payments from your customers. So this is a very gist of how to create payment links in the UroPay dashboard.